So here are some of the best free AI video generator tools you can start using right now. These tools let you turn prompts into videos, create AI avatars, generate visuals, and speed up your entire video workflow without needing editing experience. Alright, starting off with HeyGen AI. This is one of the most popular AI video generators right now. If you go over to the upgrade section, you'll be able to view all the plans that they offer. You can check them out and choose whichever one that you want. But for now, I will be using the free one. Over here on the left panel, you will get to see all of these options. And if you hover over on Create, you will see the option to create a video. Let's choose Video Agent from here. So here in the prompt box, put in your prompt. I will paste in a pre-written prompt. Then, if you click on the plus icon, you will get to see these options to attach any media. Then, you can get prompt idea, and if you click on the options, you will get the option to set the duration, starting from 15 seconds up to 1 minute. Then, you can select the aspect ratio. Let's go with landscape. Then if you head over to generate over here, you can choose between chat and generate. And on the top here, you can select an avatar. For now, it's on auto. Then, let's click on the go button. And as you can see, our video is now being generated. You will get to see a chat box just like this. And if you click on the video, it will display all the videos generated. If you click on any of them, it will start playing. So as you can see, the video turned out really good. Then you can open up the next videos to check them out as well. This way, you can easily create videos using HeyGen. Now, let's head back to the home page and head over to the Create section. Here, you can see Create an AI Studio, Photo to Video, or use a template. So we've selected Photo to Video, and if we click on the Avatar option, you will get to see all the avatars that they have available. And once you click on any of them, you will get to see multiple options to choose from. Choose the one that you want, put in your prompt, and hit Go. And as you can see, our image is now being generated. So once it's ready, just open the image to check it out. And as you can see, the person is still the same, only the outfit changed according to our prompt. This way, you can easily generate images as well. Now, let's head back to the home page. Here, if you go over to Projects, this is where all your projects will be visible. Then we have Video Agent from where you can generate videos. Then on Apps, you can browse through all the apps that they offer. Next, we have Avatar from where you can create your own avatar or view all the available avatars. And here on Templates, you'll be able to view all the templates available and use whichever one that you want. So if you want to try HeyGen, click on my link below to try it out for free. Up next, we have InVideo AI, another solid free choice for turning prompts into videos. So as you can see, we're now signed in to the InVideo AI website. If you click on the upgrade option on the top right, we will be able to view all the plans that they offer, starting with Plus, Max, Generative, and Team. You can also switch between monthly and yearly plans according to your preference. So check through them and choose whichever one that you want. But for now, I'll be using the free one. So as you can see, in the middle of the screen is the prompt box. Put in your prompt, and on the bottom here, if you click on this plus, AI Twins, you'll be shown all the options available to create avatars. And right below, we can see some options that we can choose. For example, create short video. You can fill in all the details to create your video. For now, let's click on Generate using the prompt we have pasted in. And after processing, you will get to see some options like this, such as duration, platform, and media. Set these up according to your preference. You can also add files for reference. And here, you have some more options to customize it. Once done, just click on Generate. And as you can see, the video is now being generated. It may take quite a while. And once done, you can click the play button to view it. And as you can see, it's as easy as that. And on the bottom here, you have some more options to edit and download. If you get this pop-up, you can just skip it. And if you go over to Edit, you can choose exactly what you want to edit. For example, media. Over here, you can remove or replace any footage that you want. Then on the top, you can go over to music in order to change the music. Same for script. And on settings, you will get to see all of these customization options. And over here, you can also use text prompts to edit your video. Just type in what you want and run the prompt. This way, you can easily create videos using InVideo AI, and making changes or edits has never been easier. If you want to try InVideo AI, click on the link below to try it out for free. Up next, another solid option is Grok AI, one of the biggest AI generators to date, both image and video-wise. So once you're logged in, if you go over to Super Grok on the bottom right, you'll be able to view the available plans that they offer. You may also get a 7 days free trial, and you can choose between individual and business. For now, I'll be using the free one. So in the main text box, just paste in or type in your prompt. After that, if you go over to the attachment option, you'll be able to upload a file, add text content, draw a sketch, or connect your drives. Then on the bottom here, you can choose any of these options according to your preference. You can also use this light bulb icon in order to generate ideas. But for now, let's run this prompt. And as you can see, it instantly generated images based on our prompt. You can open the images to check them out, and I'm genuinely surprised how realistic they are. So you can choose whichever one that you want or generate more images if you don't like them. And if you want to make a video, just click on the Make Video option on whichever image that you like. So for example, let's go with this one. And as you can see, our video is now being generated, and it was made just from the image. If you want to customize the video, you can use the prompt box below. Here, just type in your instructions, and on the right, you can set the video settings such as duration, resolution, and video presets. And if you like the results, you can download it from right here. So let's try making some changes. I will type in something like use a husky. You can type in whatever changes you want. Then just click on Make Video. And as you can see, the dog has now become a husky, but the background remains the same. This shows exactly how accurate Grok AI is at following through with your prompts. If you don't like the video, you can always click on Redo in order to regenerate the video. And once done, just click on Download on the bottom right to download the video onto your device. Keep in mind that using the free version has some limitations. For example, you cannot make 10-second videos. You're limited to 6 seconds as long as you're using the free one. So on the left panel, you have some more options such as voice. This is to generate voices or audio. Then there's Imagine, which is Grok's image and video generation model. From here, you can easily generate any images and turn them into videos. So if you want to give Grok AI a try for free, click on my link below. So that's all for this tutorial. Remember that if you want to try all of them now, all of the websites mentioned in this video will be listed in the description below.